Indian peacock is the national bird of India. The male peacocks are known for its beautiful blue and green tail feathers. It is represented grace, beauty, and is associated with Indian culture and mythology. Female peacocks are referred to as peahens. Peacocks are shy birds that live in groups with many peahens and few peacocks. Peacocks have eye-like patterns on their feathers to attract females and scare off predators. It can fly but prefer to run on the ground. Peacocks have lifespan of about 10 to 25 years and found in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Java, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Green pheasant is the national bird of Japan. It is also known as the Japanese green pheasant or kiji in Japanese. It is known for its vibrant green plumage. It is represented peace and good future in Japanese culture. Green pheasant lifespans about 2 to 3 years and it is only found in Japan. Emu is the national bird of Australia, which is the world's second largest living member of the family of flightless birds, representing the spirit of progress. Emus are known for their impressive running ability. Its running speed about 50 km per hour. The bird cannot walk backward, which symbolizes the country. It is a lifespan about 25 to 28 years. Emus are native to Australia and also found in many countries. Blue crane is the national bird of South Africa, which is also known as the paradise or Stanley crane. The blue crane performs a graceful dance involving leaps, bows, and coordinated calls, often seen during breeding season. With its elegant long-legged appearance, is listed as vulnerable by the IUCN. Lifespans about 20 to 30 years. It's found predominantly in South Africa. European robin is the national bird of United Kingdom. With its distinctive red breast, European robin is a beloved symbol in United Kingdom. It's often associated with winter and Christmas. European robin have a lifespan of about 13 months and it is found throughout Europe, Siberia, and North Africa. Kiwi is the national bird of New Zealand. It is a small flightless bird and are much more closely related to the extinct Malagasy elephant bird. It is known for its long beak and nocturnal habitats. It has strong sense of smell and uses it to find food. Kiwi have a lifespan of about between 25 to 50 years and it is found only in New Zealand. Eagle is the national bird of Mexico and Germany. It is a symbol of power and freedom in Mexico and a symbol of strength, sovereignty, and freedom in Germany. It is noted for its impressive hunting skill and strong association with Aztec mythology. Its lifespan about 31 years and found in Mexico, Germany, North America, Asia, Europe, and Africa. The rufous-bellied thrush is the national bird of Brazil. It is a songbird with a reddish-orange belly and mostly grey, having sweet melody voice and is often heard singing in the afternoon. Lifespan of rufous-billed thrush is about 25 to 30 years and found in Brazil, Paraguay, Uruguay, Bolivia, and Argentina. Bald eagle is the national bird of USA. The bird symbolizes freedom and strength. This majestic bird is known for its white head, yellow beak and powerful wingspan. Lifespan about 30 years, and it is found in countries like USA, North America, Canada and Mexico. Canada jay is the national bird of Canada, which is a large songbird with a short bill and long tail. It may even attack injured larger animals. Lifespan of a Canada jay has 8 years, and it is found in Canada, Northern America and parts of United States.